Xiaomi A2 Lite. So let's have a look. So I just bought a screen protector for it. It just cost about 15 ringgit. Next, sorry about that, have a little bit flu, so try to bear with me while I'm recording this. So they actually give a free casing. They have the USB cable as usual, right? And then they also have a charger. Something missing here, which is they don't provide the headset. That was a bit unfortunate. I always expect there must be a charger, a cable, and a headset. I was about to trying to find where is actually the port for the device to insert the micro card. Let's see. Oh, actually they need a pin. Pen. So what happened now? They actually did not provide the pin. Oh, they do. Right. Okay, right. Here's the pin. Underneath the box, so it's kind of hard to take it out though. Why they make life so difficult? That's one thing they should really implement on this. Okay, so I got the pin here, and I guess everyone is trying to follow the trend using the pin to take out the SIM card. Right, wow. Okay, this is something amazing. They actually have 2 slots for nano SIM and actually another 1 slots for guys. Just bear with me with the focus. So they actually have 2 slots for nano SIM and 1 slot for the micro SD card. So let's see. Right, great. Thankfully my mom has the nano SIM. I thought she doesn't have it. Okay, here we go. Sorry. And let's activate this device.
This is my first video editing, and I really appreciate that you guys really watched this video. Thank you so much, and I do hope that you guys put on your comments and tell me what are things I can improve, and tell me things what you guys didn't like about it. Any comments, feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching. See you again, guys.